Night falls fast in bear country. You're at a watering hole to drink water and refill your bottles, but remember that bears frequent these areas too, so stay alert. Suddenly, you hear rustling nearby. Bears can be within earshot without being seen. Stay calm and slowly back away from the area, speaking loudly to warn off any approaching bear. Keep your water bottle handy, but avoid sudden movements or direct eye contact with a bear. Always carry bear spray, and know how to use it before heading into bear country. Remember, drinking at watering holes is risky without proper precautions and awareness of your surroundings. First things first, assess your situation calmly. If you need to move, do so slowly without making any sudden movements. This is crucial because sudden actions can provoke an attack. Listen carefully. This is important. Do not turn your back or run away from the bear, as these actions can trigger a chase. Instead, speak in a calm, firm voice and gradually back away, while facing the bear to show you're not a threat. Here's what keeps you alive. Knowing how to use bear spray effectively is crucial. Ensure it's fully charged, sealed correctly, and easily accessible. Keep it securely attached to your belt so you can quickly retrieve it without hesitation. Never leave it buried deep in your pack where you might not be able to access it swiftly during an encounter. Dry wood snaps behind you. Turn slowly, no sudden movements. If a bear charges toward you, stay calm and avoid running. Stand your ground and try to appear larger by raising your arms above your head. Use bear spray when the bear is within 15 to 30 feet, aiming for its face and snout with short bursts. Bear spray has been proven effective in many encounters. Misusing it can be dangerous. Always carry bear spray legally and according to local regulations. Now, let's talk about water sources in bear country. Bears are attracted to watering holes just like humans are. That's why it's crucial to be vigilant and cautious when you need to hydrate. If you spot signs of bear activity such as tracks, scat, or claw marks on trees, find another place to drink immediately. Remember, staying safe is your top priority. Always carry bear spray and know how to use it properly. Additionally, make noise while approaching water sources to avoid surprising a bear. Bears are less likely to attack if they're aware of your presence. Subject: bear encounter at a watering hole. Strategies to stay safe while drinking water in bear country. Step 1. Find a high spot with clear visibility and scan the area carefully before approaching the water source. Use binoculars if you have them. Scan from left to right, then back again. You're looking for movement, tracks, or any sign of activity. Remember that bear encounters can be dangerous. Always give bears space and make noise to alert them to your presence as you approach water sources. If a bear is present, do not attempt to retrieve water. Find an alternative location where it's safe to drink. Subject: bear encounter at a watering hole. Strategies to stay safe while drinking water in bear country. Step 2. Set up and carry a whistle with you. Use it to alert others if you see a bear, but avoid blowing it near the bear itself, as this may provoke an aggressive response. Instead, speak calmly and slowly to announce your presence without alarming the animal. Always remember that local laws and regulations regarding bear encounters should be followed strictly. No knife, no matches, no light. What now? If you don't have bear spray or a bear bell alarm, improvise. Use rocks to create noise by throwing them in front of you or smashing them together to signal your presence. This creates distance and alerts the bear without escalating the situation. Remember, avoid direct eye contact, back away slowly, and speak calmly to deter aggression. Always check local laws for proper bear safety equipment before heading into bear country. Here's the deal. Bears are more likely to approach if they feel threatened or curious. Stay calm, talk softly, and slowly back away without turning your back on the bear. If you can't avoid a confrontation, be ready to defend yourself using bear spray as your first line of defense rather than physical force unless absolutely necessary. Your voice is powerful too. Speak loudly but calmly. Shout, "Hey bear," or clap your hands. This tells them you're human and not prey, helping to deter an encounter. Always remember to check local regulations on bear safety gear and practices before heading into bear country. Remember, the key is to avoid surprising a bear and appearing threatening if one does encounter you. Bears are generally not aggressive towards humans but will defend themselves, cubs, or food sources if they feel threatened or cornered. Always make noise while moving through their territory to alert them of your presence and give yourself space to retreat safely. Now, what if you're in a group? Stay together. Keep an eye out for bear signs like tracks or scat. Have bear spray accessible to all members and know how to use it. Each person should carry a whistle to alert others if a bear is spotted. Be prepared for any situation by understanding local laws and best practices, and always make noise while hiking to avoid surprising bears. Let's be honest, avoiding encounters is better than facing them head-on. Stay alert during dawn and dusk, as bears are most active then. It's best to avoid going out alone. 2 or more people together can serve as a stronger deterrent against bear attacks. Always check local regulations before heading into bear country to ensure you're prepared with the right tools and knowledge. No knife, no matches, no light. What now? If you must drink water in an area with bear activity, move cautiously to a nearby water source during daylight hours when visibility is good. Approach the water quietly and be alert for signs of bear presence such as tracks or droppings. Keep your senses sharp and use binoculars if available to scan the surroundings. Once at the water's edge, drink quickly but stay calm and avoid sudden movements that might startle a nearby bear. Always have an escape route in mind and move away from the water immediately after drinking. Never linger near watering holes where bears may be foraging or hunting. Keep bear spray accessible and ready to use if you encounter one of these powerful animals. Remember, it's crucial to stay informed about local wildlife laws and regulations when hiking or camping in bear country. Dry wood snapping behind you signals the presence of wildlife, including bears. Stay calm and use all your senses to assess the situation. Being alert is crucial for survival in bear country. If you're near a watering hole or any potential feeding area, proceed with extreme caution. Always carry bear spray and know how to use it, and give yourself an escape route if needed. So how do you actually stay safe at watering holes in bear country? By following these steps. Assess the area first for signs of bears like tracks or droppings. Know your bear spray and how to use it effectively, and be prepared to signal or defend yourself if necessary. This isn't complicated, but it's crucial. Always remember that each encounter is unique, so adapt your approach based on the situation at hand, and you'll increase your chances of walking out unharmed. Now let's talk about what happens next. You finished drinking water and are ready to move on. Don't forget, pack out all trash, including food scraps and wrappers. Leave no signs that humans were here. Bears rely heavily on their sense of smell, so removing any potential attractants is crucial for your safety and the bear's well-being. Remember, it's important to follow local regulations regarding bear safety and to stay informed about seasonal bear activity in the area. And there's one more crucial piece of information. If you encounter a bear with cubs, keep your distance immediately. Mother bears are extremely protective of their offspring and can become highly aggressive. Avoid approaching or getting too close to them to stay safe. Always give mother bears and their cubs plenty of space. Dry wood snaps again behind you. That's it, time to leave the area now. Don't wait for trouble. Move quietly but steadily out of the water source zone. Bear encounters are serious. Always give bears plenty of space and an escape route. Stick to trails and keep your eyes peeled for other signs of bear activity along the way. Remember, in many areas, it's illegal to approach wildlife too closely without a permit. If you frequently visit bear country, consider carrying deterrents like bear spray and learning how to use them effectively. So, what's the final lesson here? When dealing with bears at watering holes, preparation is key. Understand your environment, be vigilant, and always have a clear safety plan. It's crucial to know local regulations regarding bear spray or firearms if legal in your area and carry them responsibly. These strategies are simple yet effective, and they could save your life one day. Remember, positively identify any plants as edible with expert help before consuming, and never assume anything is safe based on folklore or guesswork. This is educational only. Foraging, hunting, and fishing carry real risks and are governed by local laws and seasons. Always verify plant and animal IDs with an expert, follow your local regulations, and never eat or use any wild plants, mushrooms, or animals unless you can 100% identify them correctly. When you're in bear country and need to drink from a water source, there's another critical step to add to your routine: communication. Speak loudly enough for bears to hear you approaching the water. This isn't about scaring them. It's about giving them a heads up so they know you're coming, reducing the chance of an unexpected encounter. Always carry bear spray when near water sources or areas that might attract bears and other wildlife. Make sure it's easily accessible and familiarize yourself with its proper use beforehand. Bear spray can be crucial during an encounter, but remember to use it only if a bear charges directly towards you as a last resort. If you see fresh signs of bear activity around the watering hole, such as tracks, scat, or overturned rocks, give that area a wide berth and move to another water source, even if it means deviating significantly from your planned route. Remember to purify any water you collect, as untreated water can carry pathogens harmful to humans. Always prioritize safety when encountering bear signs, and consider carrying bear spray and knowing how to use it effectively. At night, set up camp upwind and away from natural water sources. Bears are attracted to these areas due to their keen sense of smell, detecting human presence and potential food sources nearby.